Hello and welcome, crack souls of the internet, to Horror Hustle. Now let's begin. A stalker. Me and two of my friends were inside when there was a blizzard outside in a often quiet neighborhood with mostly elderly people. We were babysitting my uncle's dog. We watched a couple horror movies and then at 2 a.m. decided to go for a walk in the forest. We saw some weird things and heard footsteps behind us, but we ignored it as our imagination until at the end of the trail there was a bunny shape on a tree. Someone had made a bunny out of snow on the tree while we walked the forest path. We quickly went inside and were kinda scared. We locked all the doors except the upstairs. Later that night, we heard footsteps around the house and even the dog reacted. At 5 a.m., one of my friends decided to leave and go home. When he stepped outside, he heard music coming from the shed. We went to check and heard a bang sound when we opened the door. We shut down the radio and locked the door and ran inside. Now, keep in mind, the radio is an expensive high-tech radio made for cold and rough areas. Me and my other friend tried to sleep when we remembered the upstairs. We went there with knives to check. We only checked one room and backed away, since if someone was there, they could easily kill us from the back or sneak downstairs. At 6 a.m., we decided to sleep, but when I tried to get sleep, I realized someone walked past the front door. The front door is 10 meters away from the property entrance. There was a large shadow that went to the backyard. I was scared, but ignored it as my imagination or an animal. At 8 a.m., I woke up to a bang sound upstairs. I didn't go check. At 11 a.m., we both woke up and I realized our blinds weren't completely closed. There was a large enough hole for someone to stare at us while we slept. I checked outside the window and there was footsteps leading to the window. Someone watched us sleep. In the morning, we checked upstairs and found nothing out of the ordinary. This spooks me out still. It's been a few weeks since this happened, and today my uncle said he heard footsteps upstairs at night. When he was the only one home, he found wet spots that looked like footsteps on the floor near one of the windows. If you know of any stories you would like for me to read, or if you have your own, feel free to add them to the comment section. Thank you for watching. I've been Craxo Spinner, and until the next story, I'm just in my room.